All right, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to fix a Kenworth t680 2018. It could probably be for 2018 to 2020 armrest. It's a very common problem. You don't have to go and buy out a chair, so I'm gonna help you fix it really quick, help show you how to do it so you don't have to spend a fortune on thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars. So this is how it is. This armrest goes in here. This armrest goes in here. It goes in here. All of a sudden, I was driving and boom, this thing fell off like that. So I came to a conclusion that what the problem was, that this little bolt actually broke. As you can see, it actually broke. But now, I actually found a piece and a part, because nobody has it. And I found a part, this actually better part. And here's the part. I'll give you guys the part number and where did I get it? I got it at MC Master Car, and I got 2 of them just in case. So it's very simple. You get a Phillips flathead, and I'm gonna show you how to do it with one hand real quick so that you don't have to spend thousands of dollars. So as you can see, there's the hole right there, right? You have to go like this, adjust the hole, see, like this, like the, and then you grab the, let me see, right there, you grab the nut, and all you gotta do is, it's kind of a little bit difficult to try to do this one hand, but what you do is you just screw this in there. See, just screw this in there, nice and easy. And then you grab the flathead just to make it a little bit tighter, if you wish. Well, yeah, just a little bit tighter until you just can't screw it anymore. That's it, that tight. And then there you go. And then all of a sudden, look, now it's fixed. Now it's not gonna go down. You see? That's the problem. That's the problem. You don't gotta go out and buy a whole bunch of new chair and spend thousands of dollars on a mechanic. It only costs, I believe these bolts cost like $4 plus shipping. I'll send you guys all the information. And that's it. There you go.